Hello my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bia and this is my bubble, and if you like it here you can always hit the subscribe button to get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. So in today's video I want to show you how to do an edgy kind of updo. Whether you're going to a wedding, an event, or maybe you just want to get dressed up for that really cool movie night you have planning. I really like updos, but sometimes they can look kind of outdated or they can just make you look a bit old. That's why I want to share this look with you, because I feel like it's more edgy and youthful. So if this is something that you would like to know, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So firstly, the things you would need is just a basic brush. I have my ridiculous mini brush here. And then just some elastics, like these rubber elastics that I show in all my tutorials. And then also just some hairspray to give it some texture. Also just a few bobby pins to pin those hairs in place. So first off, some really important things about this updo is that texture is really important. Because this is more an edgy kind of updo, I would recommend straightening your hair, or if you have straight hair, just smoothing out those frizzies or any parts that look a bit crinkled. I actually just smoothened out my hair with a curling iron so that I'm sure that these hairs and the hair on top here is nice and smooth. I feel like this is really important because you don't want to put in all that effort for making an updo, and then once you have like this beautiful updo, you just see that frizzed, crinkled hair at the back or something like that. So this is really an important step for me, but you can leave it out if you want to. So the basis of this updo is that we're going for that faux mohawk type of look. We're going to do 3 sections, this section being like almost the mohawk. We're just going to give a lot of volume and texture there, and then we're going to put 2 inverse French braids here, and then we'll do something interesting at the back. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to section my hair in those 3 parts that I just mentioned. This can be really rough because the whole look is kind of rough. I'm just sectioning my hair from above my eyebrows, kind of like here, and then to the top. Then I'm sectioning these 2 parts at the back. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just putting in some elastics just to keep it in place. So we're going to start with the top part of our updo. So first of all, we want to add texture. So we are going to tweeze. Right? Yeah. We are going to tease, not tweeze. So first of all, we want to add texture. So we are going to tease the hair so that we have a lot of volume on top. I'm just using my normal brush. I'm not using a teasing comb. So I'm starting from the back, teasing towards the front. Okay, so now that we have everything teased, you would look quite ridiculous. So now we are going to comb out the front pieces here so that we have a smooth layer of hair on top of all that teased hair. Once you're happy with the texture, we can move on. Otherwise, you can always go in again with a straightener, just smoothing out these front pieces. Okay, so now it's time to pin your hair in place. I'm just taking rough sections and just pinning it with bobby pins until I'm happy with the look. Remember, we are going for a roughed up, edgy look, so don't be afraid if it's a bit messy. Once you are happy with the look, you can spray your hair in place. Now we are moving on to the sides. These would be inverse French braids going from the front of your face all the way to the back. Once you get to the back of your head, you can start including hair from the top section. If you are unfamiliar with how to do inverse French braids, then I suggest you watch my video on how to do inverse French braids first. it all the way and just fix it with an elastic. Now I'm going to repeat this with the other side. Now your updo should look something like this. You can use this time to loosen up your braids and create a more messy look. Once you're happy with the messiness level of your braids, then we can move on to the next step. Place the end of your braid at the roots of your hair like this and pin it in place with a bobby pin. Repeat on the other side. Once you have these two braided pigtails, just lay them flat over each other like this. And pin in place. You can add more bobby pins to make it feel more secure. And voila, the updo is complete. Finish off with some hairspray to add some texture and to make sure that it stays in place. And there you have it guys, an easy, messy, edgy kind of updo. I really like this updo because it's out of my face, it's secure, and it looks like you spend hours doing it. It also gives you that put together look, but with a little bit of edge. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. If you decide to create this look, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!